Okay, so here's Philip, and this is his first meal. It is rice cereal, and Philip is very excited about this. And so I'm going to feed him. Where can I put it? I'll put it in my lap. And here we go. Ready? You ready, honey? Open up, open wide. Open wide. Good boy. Yeah. And that was successful. And I think he likes it. So we're going to do it again. And this is for Daddy because Daddy's not home right now. Okay, sweetie. Want another bite? Yeah. Okay. Yum. Good boy. Yeah. That's a good boy. He really likes it. There's Lola. Lola wants some too, of course. Lola, you can't have any. Okay. There's Philip again. Philip? Do you want some more? You want some more? Uh-oh, I'm about to drop it. Hold on. You want some more, sweetie? Want some more? That's good, huh? That's delicious. Yes, it is. Delicious. He's wiping his face because he is very polite. Putting this over here out of his... Nope, not out of his reach. Okay. So, here's Mommy. You see Mommy? Okay, look at Mommy. Look. So good, Philip. This is so delicious. Oh, boy. And there's Philip. He's very enthusiastic about that. All right, come on, sweetie. Take another bite for Mommy. And show Daddy. Show Daddy. No, don't eat your napkin. Here. Ah! Yum! He really likes it. All right. Say, I love you, Daddy. Say, I love you, Daddy. I love you. We're signing off now. We're going to finish eating. Bye-bye. He wants more. Look, he's so demanding. Yes. More. Bye-bye.